Okay, so the whole thing starts with this right here. This is called Scrim. Some people call it foam. Either way, what it is it's a foam material that has a fabric, a loose fabric mesh. Usually it's only on one side, but this piece has it on two sides, and one's more aggressive than the other. The reason why you want this is you want the side that's got the scrim or the fabric woven on there, you want that to be on the back side so that when you sew through it, the thread is going through that and not pulling up through your vinyl. So what I did here was I just had a piece that I was testing my tension and my stitch length and everything, and I've got my stitch length on 5, and I'm really digging this red thread here. So that's what we're gonna do. But you can get this, I think I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's pretty cheap. You can also buy it on Amazon or online or anything. Look for Foam or Scrim Foam or just Scrim. Either one, either one will get you. So what I did right here on this sample piece I'm going to do, this is 12 by 12, and what I did was I made diamonds that are 3 inches tall, 2 inches wide, and I just used some chalk to line it out so that I can wipe it off later. And this technique is borrowed over from you know, the automotive, mainly automotive upholstery. When they're doing like seat inserts, they'll do like this diamond pattern. It's pretty cool. But I'm going to show you that you can do this and it will make a really cool fabric for a bag that you're making, a purse, you know, any kind of thing like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this cool red thread, and this is a Tex 90, and this is just that same marine vinyl that I bought a few days ago. And so what a lot of people do is they'll just start right here and move to here, move to here, move to here, move to here. Well, I find that, and I may be wrong about this, but what I think is happening is when you do that, it pushes the foam over. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start right here in the center and go to one side and go to the other side. And I'm not using anything special. This is just the JDBAO 8700. If you remember, I named him Steve. That's his name. But anyway, let me get started here, and I'm just going to follow along. Okay, so that gets that side done. Let me clean up these strings. And so far, you know, that's got a little puffiness to it. We're starting to see what it's going to look like. But the true magic shows up when we start doing these diagonals. That's where it really starts showing those puffy diamonds. And in the automotive world, they will. I don't think this is a true 1/4 inch. I don't know. It might be. Yeah, I think it is. But in the automotive world now, or if you really want to see your diamonds pop out, like if you're doing like maybe you're recovering a seat on your scooter or on your motorcycle or on a little stool, you know, something like that. If you really want to see some good definition in your diamonds, try the 1/2 inch scrim. Oh man, that'll be like little pillows all over the place. All right, so I'm going to start again in the center of my pattern, and I am going to go on these diagonal ones. So you can see I'm just using the regular P35 foot, and when I was going along, I just made sure that my chalk lines went right in between the two toes of my foot, and that's all it was. I didn't need you know, any fancy Teflon foot or anything like that. Just the regular, you know, P35 foot that comes with your machine. That makes this even easier. I'm just going to go around the edge and seal this up a little bit. And there you go. Let me grab my other scissors. If I can find them. Where are you? There you are. So now I can just take my regular scissors and just, you know, trim this up a little bit. All right, so there you go. Doesn't that look cool? That is awesome. And it's puffy. And if you want it to be a little bit more puffy, you know, use that 1/2 inch Scrim foam, because it really, that 1/2 inch just really makes a difference. I hope y'all can see this, because it looks really awesome. And that red thread on this black vinyl, like I said, if you're gonna, you know, reupholster your a stool or your seat on your scooter, the seat on your motorcycle, the seat on your bicycle, you know, anything like that, make you some puffy diamonds. So anyway, I hope y'all learned something. The main magic is this stuff right here, foam or scrim foam, whatever you want to call it, or whatever they call it at your supplier. But if they're old school, you tell them you want some scrim, they'll say what thickness. And you tell them 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch, you know, and I think they come in different densities too, so it'll be, you know, stronger, or, you know, feel thicker. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it when y'all do that. Or you can go over to the heart with a little $sign and buy me a cup of coffee. That would be wonderful. But y'all, thanks for watching and have a great week.